Hi YouTube, it's your girl Cherry Coco coming at you with another video, and I'm here to do a bit of a hair review, maybe a half wig. I don't know if really tutorial because it's not like we don't know how to do them. Well, I'll show you how I do mine. But anyway, so if you looked at my other videos, you know I've been doing kind of the curly thing. Like I had the curly half wig before, and then the little puffball, curly, kinky puffball ponytails. So I kind of wanted to do something a little bit different. So I'm going for a straight look. And what I'm doing today is another Ultra quick weave. And it's this. Whoops, can you see it? Oh, that glare. Can you see it now? Quick weave. I don't know how to get that off. Gotta do it at an angle. So it's the Ultra Quick Weave, self-styled in 60 seconds. And this is called Annie. And it's a straight kinky. You take it out of all the packaging and whatnot. This little part right here, bothers me so bad half the time. And if you can't tell, I have kind of a big head, so I don't really do a lot of adjusting with the straps. I only do the adjusting with the straps as this unit gets older. I don't even want to call this a unit. Is that what they call these adjusting units? Whereas this hair piece gets older, I use the straps to adjust and whatnot. And it's just a half wig. It doesn't have any parting or anything to it, and it's kind of kinky, but I don't know if it's really kinky enough, because when I tell y'all I don't have 4C hair, I have beyond 4C hair, and I don't understand why they don't have a category for my hair, because I know I'm not the only one. But yeah, my hair is kinky. It takes a whole lot for me to do some blending. Okay, so which is weird why I get half wig when it takes so much. Okay, so I got that connected. What's this? Sure, nothing weird in here. I'm gonna put this, I got my wig cap on already. You know, my hair is freshly washed. I washed my hair this morning and put some leave-in conditioner in it, and I brushed it back to the back, and just a ponytail. Just have this on it. So this is a kinkier texture, so I'm gonna see if I can blend. It's not like it. It's a long unit, so it's nice. I like it. So let's throw this sucker on, see what it do. And I got my combs and things ready over here to kind of dress it up. So I'm gonna put it right here, not directly up front. I'm not gonna pin it down just yet. I'm gonna try to style it a little bit before I actually take the pins to it. Oh. Put some pins in it. All right, so let's see. Let's try to take some of this out. Ooh, I told y'all I'm about to give myself a damn headache. Trying to get this out. Wait, maybe I shouldn't have put the combs in. That makes more sense. Put it this way. My hair is soft now because, like I said, it's freshly washed and has some deep conditioner in it. Ooh, look how dry that is. It has some leave-in conditioner in it. And it's just the Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner. So we're gonna brush some of this out. Now we can put the comb in right here a little bit. And let's see about combing some of this up and hiding that line. Just a little. Oh, this lighting. Oh, I forgot to take this off. Whoops. Okay, so let's see. Okay, this ain't too bad. I need to put like just a little bit more out though. Just a little bit more. Okay, so this is not, oh, it looks like a caveman. Maybe this is bad. I don't know about this. I'm gonna try to work with it though. Oops, wrong end of the cone. But I like that it's not bone straight. Now I need to stick the comb in, maybe do some pins so that it's not moving around. And then we can do a little something with it. This one doesn't come down as far, or maybe it's just because my head is so damn big. That could be a reason. Put another bobby pin over here. I think that part is gonna get on my nerves. Maybe put another one over here. Let's make my forehead look huge. Oh my, maybe not. Why my forehead don't look this big when I got the other one on? Or when I got the ponytail in? Or maybe it does and I just didn't realize it. All right, let's see. Another pin in it. Up here. I don't want to be embarrassed when the wind blows. Okay. So it's not bad, but I want to dress up the front a little bit. So let me get some more tools on my other mirror. Okay, so I had to set my camera up higher so you could see how, yeah, my hair is a lot kinkier than this. This is going to be, oh, this is going to be a hard blend, but I'm gonna try it. So I got my mirror set up over here. I got my jam for some shine. I got my Gots to Be for some, y'all know what for. Okay, so let me try to blend this and get something going here and see what we can do. So now the hard part begins. So this is me trying to blend my 5C hair, my 5D hair, because like I said, my hair is very tough and kinky, which I am embracing. I haven't had an actual relaxer or perm, whatever you want to call it, in quite some time now, and I am just loving not having to deal with those chemicals. Y'all don't even know. So anyway, so I'm trying to work my natural hair with this half wig, which is why I be getting the curly ones and the kiki ones, because it tends to blend in a little bit more. And I don't like full wigs. For some reason, I just don't like them sitting just like right on top of my edges like that. So anyway, I'm using the jam because the jam softens my hair out a little bit, makes it a little bit softer. I just hate mixing it with the hair though, because sometimes it'll make the hair kind of like greasy and oily, like really fast. And it doesn't just stick to the top part. It goes all through that unit, any unit basically. But I'm working with it and seeing what we can do. I'm thinking I want to do the side. No, down the middle, because, you know, I'm used to the side or whatever. So we're going to see if we can try that. And I'm trying to get this hair in there, get my edges to work right. And as you can see at this particular point, this is not looking good at all. And I really don't want this to be a miss, because I like the texture of this. It's not silky straight, and it's not, you know, terribly coarse or anything like that. It's soft, but it's not real straight, and I like the texture of it. I really do. So I am working with this, trying to pull some over to try to hide that top edge part, see if that'll work. Woo, Chile. And it does not help the fact that it is burning hot in here. And again, we have not turned the air conditioning on yet, so I am really sweating trying to get this done. This is hard work. This really is hard work. And I can see the hair starting to get greasy already. And it's just, so I'll probably have to take like a washcloth, a warm, probably like a really hot water washcloth, and try to get some of that grease out of the actual half wig, because I don't want that looking too shiny. I can see I'm already gonna probably have to put some cornstarch on it to get rid of some of the shine. So let me try to swoop that back some. Oh, see right there, looks like it's blending, but I don't think that's gonna last, so unfortunately. But I'm telling y'all, I was working with this. I ain't done yet though. I'm still working on it. So let me try to smooth this down a little bit and really slick it down. I'm trying really hard not to dye my hair. I know some gray hairs are probably sticking out at the top. I don't have a lot, but I do have some. And it's not fun. All right, let me poke some more. Let me tuck some more of my actual hair back in there. I probably shouldn't have left anything out of this one. I probably should have really just tried to cut the top off a little bit and made some baby hairs out of the actual wig instead of just trying to really blend in my hair. I think my hair is just too coarse and too kinky for this one. Yeah, because now I feel like I'm just getting it dirty, and I'll probably have to wash it at the end of the night. All right, so that side part wasn't working, so let me try something a little different. Let me try to blend it upwards now. All these bobby pins getting stuck in my hair. Ugh. Let me try to pin my actual leave out back up in there and see if that'll work. It might. Right now it's not looking, well, no, this is looking pretty horrible. I can't lie. Looking at a close-up of this video, yes, it's, yeah. But I'm still trying, though. I'm trying to make this a hit instead of a miss. Because this unit was only, it was buy one, get one free at the same store that I always, well, it's not the same store that I always go to. So $40 for two. So basically $20 a piece. And yeah, for $20, I'm going to make this one work. I will do a review on the other one. But the actual hair itself and stuff, I like. I really do. I like the way it feels. I like how soft it is. It did give me caveman vibes at first. It looked like Cro-Magnon Man or Cro-Magnon Man, whatever. And it doesn't help the fact that my face is really sweaty because I'm so hot. All right, so now it's not looking too bad. Let's see what we got. Okay, that's not horrible. That's not too horrible. I don't know if I would actually go out like this. But for starters, it's not horrible, and I like the length of it. I really like the length of it. It's kind of hot for a day like today. I might put my hair up in a ponytail later, but yeah, it's not. Yeah, I actually like the actual half wig itself. I really do. I really do. Don't like the sweaty face, but I like the half wig. And that was me. I had wrapped it up just a little bit, but I think I left a little lump on my head, so that's fixable. I can fix that. Yeah. But I like it. I just should not have taken that much leave out. And I probably should have just worked with the top a little bit more and just left the teeny bit just to cover the rim. But yeah. So right now, this is the finished product. I think I will wear this. So it's not a miss, but it's not a total hit. But it's not like I can take it back. So I'm going to have to make this work. So yeah. Not bad. Not too bad. I'll continue to work with the top. And in other videos that I make, just about different things, you guys will see the hair and how I've worked with it and played with it. And yeah, I'm going to make this work a lot better. All right. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.